Oh snap. Give me that snap. Oh snap. Is it on picture or is it on
Video.
Why are you taking a video? A tornado!
Oh, it's nothing.
It's a tornado. Tornado. Hey, you want to watch that video of when you put your finger on my nose while I sleep?
No, that was too funny.
Granny watched it and was cracking up. She was like,
I'm not retarded like my mom.
yes, you are.
So, Mom, what you been doing?
Doodling on myself. You know that, Faith. Let's not play these games.
Okay, everyone wants to see my doo-doo? This is how it looks.
Gross.
And my feet stink. Gonna make Mama die.
Don't take off your shoes if you don't know whether or not your feet are fresh. It should really kill me.